Hello and thank you for watching. Almost everyone knows how insurance works. Insurance provides coverage from financial loss in a bad situation, just like umbrella covers you from getting wet in the rain. Kind of like this.
So take me out to California, where the sun is always high, where the streets are paved with gold and no one ever gets old. I'll be longing for that day till you come and take me home.
Insurance is a financial arrangement, a contract, where in exchange for payment of premium, you buy compensation. We call it coverage. In case of a misadventure, we call a loss. Basically, auto insurance compensates only two types of damages: injuries and damage of the property. Different sections of the policy only specify how those injuries and property damage are covered. Injuries. And property damage. Liability is financial responsibility. This section of the policy covers only other people's damages if you are responsible for the accident. Liability insurance is required by law. Driving without insurance is a really bad idea. You can be fined, lose your car, and your license. The minimum coverage limits required in the state of California are $15,000 for injuries for each person, $30,000 for injuries for all people, and $5,000 for property damage. Liability is offered by the maximum limit of the amount of coverage. The limit can be purchased up to $500,000 or more. Physical damage is the section of the policy that covers only damages to the insured vehicle. Collision is part of physical damage coverage. It covers damages to the insured vehicle caused by a collision with another vehicle or object. Comprehensive is the other part of physical damage coverage. It covers all other damages to your vehicle other than collision. A deductible applies when claiming physical damage coverage. This is the amount you pay toward vehicle repairs first. Insurance policy pays the rest. Uninsured motorist coverage takes care of you and your car if you are hit by a driver who doesn't have any or not enough insurance. Medical payments covers injuries of all people inside the vehicle. Rental reimbursement covers a rental car expense while the vehicle is being repaired. Ride-sharing endorsement extends the policy to provide coverage while the vehicle is being used for ride-sharing. Have you been car insurance shopping all day? Can't find something within your budget? Just try us at bestcaliforniainsure.com. Compare rates online or just call us. Just takes a few minutes. Applying is simple. Get auto insurance shopping done and get the best deal. And now, let's take a look at the following case study to see how car insurance works in action. Julie's actual damages are $5,000 medical expense and $10,000 vehicle repairs, but her policy has a $1,000 collision deductible and no medical. She was determined to be not at fault. Steve's actual damages are $2,500 medical expense and $10,000 vehicle repairs, but his policy has only a $2,000 medical expense and no collision coverage at all. Steve was found to be responsible for causing this accident. All of Julie's damages were covered by Steve's liability insurance. Steve's own insurance only covered $2,000 of his medical bill. So what is the best value in auto insurance? Complete coverage or basic and the lowest cost, or something in the middle? What are the best options?
On one hand, I want to be well covered, but on the other hand, can I afford it? I just don't want to spend that much.
You can pay a lot of money for insurance over the years and not even use the coverage. Or you can get the lowest package, get into an accident, and not have the right coverage you need. How do you make the right decision? Let's go over options. Minimum liability is the perfect choice for someone looking for the lowest cost option and the most basic coverage. This option is not appropriate if the vehicle is new, valuable, or is financed. Consider adding uninsured motorist and medical payments. More liability insurance? Not a bad idea. It's a must if you own a home or have a higher net worth. Not having enough coverage is a risk of paying for damages with your own money. Physical damage can be added to any liability option. Choose deductible for best price and preference. Add rental reimbursement. You have to get physical damage coverage if your car is new, valuable, or is financed. Without physical damage, you risk paying for damages or loss of your car with your own money.
Is this full coverage?
Full coverage is vague language. It can be easily misunderstood because it doesn't specify the terms of the policy. Yet most of the time, when someone says full coverage, they mean add physical damage, not just liability. Basic full coverage would be the most economical package. It includes minimum liability and physical damage. Add uninsured motorist, medical, and rental reimbursement. Standard, the most popular package, is an upgrade from basic full coverage. Here we increase the limit of liability. The best package can have liability limits up to $500,000 or more. Deductible can be adjusted on any package for best price and preference. Auto insurance rates are primarily based on 5 factors: age, territory, driving history, type of coverage, and vehicle usage. Getting a great rate is simply a matter of stacking up discounts. Good driver, multi-vehicle, multi-policy, and low vehicle usage are some of the biggest discounts. Surcharges are opposites of discounts. Accidents, moving violations, high performance or value, and high vehicle usage raise auto insurance rates. Driving record can dramatically increase premium. One ticket can hike your rate 25%. Accident up to 50%. DUI or major violation can double your rate, and multiple incidents can make you ineligible for coverage. Content of this presentation is general in nature. It is intended for informational purposes only. We assume no responsibility. Each policyholder is ultimately responsible for the selection and understanding of the chosen policy coverages. Thank you so much for watching.